Guys, in this video, you will learn how you can generate and share news headlines using OpenAI and share it on Facebook automatically. So guys, this workflow is going to generate news headlines on daily basis using OpenAI and share it on Facebook automatically. So this will improve your social media presence and your engagement with your audience. And we are going to set up this automation without any coding super easily. So let's start. So we are using Pabbly Connect to set up this automation. So this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect, and I have pasted this same link in the description as well. And from here you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. So from the given link you can sign up right now, and after that you can follow me through this video and you will learn this automation. Okay. And as you sign in, you will reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect here. And from here, guys, you have to click on this create workflow button to set up the workflow. And here you can give a suitable name to this workflow as well. So I am giving the name here. So I have given the name as share news headlines from OpenAI to Facebook. After that, click on create button and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. And on this page, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So our automation workflows are based on these two things, the trigger and the action. So when something happens, that is going to trigger this workflow, and the action would be the consequence of the trigger. So here in this trigger module, you have to choose that application in which the trigger event is going to occur, and in the action module, you have to choose the action application where you want to perform the action. So guys, here I want that my workflow should run on daily basis and generate headlines using OpenAI. Okay, so guys, here to make this workflow run every day on a specific time, we are going to use scheduler feature of Pabbly Connect. So with the help of scheduler, you can schedule the running of your workflows according to your will whenever you want. Okay, so from here, select this scheduler, and here it is asking how often you want to run your workflow. So here we have these options. You can run it at regular intervals, you can run it once, you can run it every day, you can run at any day of the week or any date of the month. So I'm selecting every day option here. And here it is asking at what time you want to run this workflow every day. So I want that this workflow should run at 12 noon and fetch the top headlines or generate the headlines. So for that, guys, I'm just going to select the time from this panel, 12. Okay. Like this. Okay. And now you can click on save and you can see this workflow is scheduled to run at this time. So this is my local time zone. This is the UTC time zone. Okay. Right. And after this, what I want that OpenAI should start working at this time and generate the headlines. So here in this section step, search for OpenAI. Okay. And the action event would be generate content. Then click on connect. From here, select add new connection. And here you can give a name to this connection. And here you have to provide the API key or the token key of the OpenAI application. Okay. So you'll find the key in the OpenAI keys page. So you'll get the keys page. Let me show you how. So guys, this is my OpenAI applications dashboard. And here you can see this is my profile icon. And from here, I'm going to click on view API keys. And here you can generate a new key by clicking on this create new key button. And a new key will be generated like this. You can just copy it, click on OK, and you can paste it here like this, and then click on save and you will be connected with OpenAI. Okay, so we are connected and here it is asking which artificial intelligence model you want to use of OpenAI. So OpenAI have many models and this Text DaVinci 002 is the mostly used model. So I'm going to use this. Okay, and here you have to give a prompt. So prompt means you have to provide a command to OpenAI to do the work for you. Okay. So those commands are called prompts here. So you have to write the prompts. You can learn about the prompts here in the documentation section of OpenAI. So let me give a prompt here. So I am writing the prompt as generate So guys, here I have given the prompt as generate the top news headlines for the date, and after date I want to put the date on which the workflow is running. Okay, so my workflow is running on daily basis, so I want that the date should be mentioned here automatically on daily basis. For that, what we are going to do, before this step, just click here on this plus icon and another action step will open up, and here I'm going to search for date time formatter. Search for date time formatter feature, and with the help of this feature I'm going to fetch the current dates automatically. So here we have this current date option. Select this. Okay, then click on connect and it will give you the current date. So you can select the format of the date. So I'm giving the format as this one, DDMMYY, that we generally use. Now click on save and send test request and you will get the current date in this result label. You can see this is today's date. So whenever this workflow is going to run at this time daily, first of all, it is going to fetch the current date, and this date will be fetched here in this prompt. So we are going to map this date time label in this prompt after this date word, okay, after this colon. For that, you just have to click here, and here you can see it is not showing the previous step here in the drop down. So I'm going to refresh the connection with OpenAI. For that, just click on connected, and from here keep this existing connection option selected, and then click on save one more time, and your connection with OpenAI will be refreshed. And after this, when you go to the prompt and after this date word, after this colon, when you click, you can see started showing the previous steps in the drop down, and from the second step map this date time label like this. Okay, right. So whenever this workflow is going to run, this label is going to change according to the current date, and new news headlines will be generated using OpenAI. And here it is asking for the tokens. So tokens means how many number of words you want to generate out of OpenAI. So the default value is 256. So, and the maximum value is 2048. So I'm going to put the tokens as 500s. So I want a 500 words of headlines should be created. And here it is asking to select the sampling type. So to generate content, it uses sampling technique. So from here you can use temperature or nucleus, two type of samplings we have. Default is the temperature sampling, so I'm going to use that only. Okay. Here you have to provide the sampling value between 0 to 1. So default value is 0.07. I'm just going to put here as 0.08, let's say. Okay. And this is penalty and frequency penalty. You can leave these things blank. These are not compulsory things. Stop sequence is provided to inform OpenAI that where to stop, and you can provide it in form of these symbols and words like this /n. So this is also not a compulsory field, but let me just put here as /n to provide a stop sequence. Okay, and here you can select best of option. So when you select best of 2 or best of 3, it will give you a best quality content according to your selected option. So I'm selecting best of 3. Okay, so it is going to resample the content 3 times and gives you the best thing. Okay guys, I have changed the prompt a little bit to show you more appropriate results, and now I have written the prompt as fetch the top news headlines from different news website. The date is this, and now you can see the result is showing up like this. Okay, these are the headlines generated from different news websites by OpenAI. Okay, right. Now guys, what we want to share these top headlines on my Facebook page. For that, you just have to click here on this plus icon, and in the section step you have to search for Facebook pages. Okay, you can connect any other social media platform here as well. I'm just showing you the example of Facebook pages, and the action event would be create page post. Then click on connect here. From this window, select add new connection, and then click on connect with Facebook pages. And from here, it might bring you to the login window, but I have already logged in my Facebook, so it is just asking me to continue. Okay, and here you can see we are getting connected. So we are now connected, and here it is asking for the page's name. So the name of my page is this, Pabbly Tech. Okay, so you have to select your page from this given list. I have many pages here, and it is showing us the list. From here, select the page's name. Okay. And after that, this access token will appear, and here in this message you can map this generated news headlines from OpenAI. Okay, and for that, just click here on this message field, and from this last step, map this choices zero text label, and you will get the headlines mapped here. And now if you want to send any link, you can send any link, but right now I do not want to share any link. I just want to share this, and now you can check your connection with your page by clicking on Save and Send Test Request button. So I'm clicking here, and let's see if we got a new post created on my Facebook page or not. So this is a ID created for the post. Let me show you my page now. Let me refresh this page and see if we got a new post. And here you can see a new post is just posted here with the same title, top news headline from different websites, and these are the same news generated by OpenAI. Okay, you can see here this is the same news, okay, generated here, and it got posted here. So this is how it is going to work, guys. So our automation is working fine, and you have to set up this only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually in this workflow. After that, it is going to run automatically every day at this time and generate the news headlines and share it on your Facebook page automatically. And guys, you can use this workflow as well, as I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description, and you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.